Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am unboxing a Keychron K1 keyboard. Removing the plastic shrink wrap is the box of the keyboard. Opening the box of the keyboard, it shows the USB-C cable, keycaps,
call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever
keycap remover,
you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love.
and the keyboard. Getting the keyboard would show the manual and a quick start guide.
Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind. You were stuck in my head and I don't know why. We got a billion reasons, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe.
And here's the keyboard. Wow, it's really thin. Here are the switches on the keyboard. It can switch to Bluetooth and USB mode. It can also switch to Macintosh and Windows mode. Then we got the charger port or the USB mode port. Here's the indicators for the caps lock, num lock, and which operating system it is set to. Here's a close-up of the keys on the keyboard. Here's the back of the keyboard. Here's the keyboard powered on. And finally, here are all the accessories that's included. As you can see on the keyboard, it has the Mac layout, and I am changing it to the Windows key layout. I have also changed the light button to the orange keycap. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos.